Hi guys! Come and set me to clean my fridge. So first I got all my items and all the foods. Put down this clean wash and I started to spray all the layers. And yeah, that's all I could do. Back and forth, back and forth. And now I have to sponge it so it really gets cleaning. I was opening the fridge and it was huge of bugs. So I got groceries again and I bought this stuff. So yeah, this is my time to make videos. I hope you guys like it. Still back and forth. Oh, this is the last one. Let's fix all my items. Back. Let's put that back. Oops. I'm too lazy to create videos, okay? But sorry, I will make it this time. I will make some videos this time. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not lazy at all. Alright guys, do you like my fridge? Comment down below because this video will be short. Bye guys!